is single walled. In the De'Longhi over here, you're getting two filters, one single and one double. They are both dual walled. So this helps with the pressure, again, if you're new to tamping, or if you have a bean that you're not sure of the grind, it will help get the pressure up, but it doesn't come with the
Now to
single
make the
walled
fourth
baskets.
cup milk.
There's an America we build and one we explore. With freedom, each
Turn
one
on.
can choose just what
is going to introduce more air so that you get those lovely bubbles without doing much work. It's like being a barista from the tamp on all the way through. And speaking of the tamp, the Breville Barista Express, you have to do all manual tamping. The tamper's here on the side, it's magnetic, it tucks away when you're done. What they've done with the De'Longhi, which is fabulous, is they've done a built-in tamper. So it's hidden inside, so that after you do your grinding and click it down, it's supposed to put the right amount of pressure onto your coffee puck, which will give you a nice even tamp. So sometimes when your tamp isn't exactly
nice.
right, and it goes on an angle,